Wilson inside. McCoy. Fade away. That's a tough shot. McCoy.
Good extra pass there by John Wilson.
McCoy, atake sa kaliwa. Bigay kay Loristo. Ang ganda ng buwelo. Palpalang inabot. Ibe will finish the break para sa Bulacan.
Pero kung na-convert nila ni Loristo yun. To run, and run.
That's a great block galing kay Andre Acop. And it sets off the fast break. Brought to you by Sports Plus. The official sport. Bigay kay Jervy. Jervy attacks. Good block by Castillo. Gonzalez leaking out. Gonzalez for 2.
It's only down to 5 points ang kalamangan dito ng Basilan Steel.
Coach Vic.
Yes, kanina pa siya talagang yung mga rebounding niya, laking bagay. And another score. Banda!
Jervy. Gap. Jervy Cruz with a simple finish.
That was a very good two-man game by Cometa.
Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MTV. Derek Umalde pala naglaro sa UST. Yun. Siyempre si Japs Kuwan.
Sinong kasama niya mag-two-man game doon? Sino yung point guard niya?
Umalde ba?
Hindi, si
Jervy, jumper, yes.
classic and vintage Jervy Cruz.
Alam mo naman, di ba? Konsehal na
Konsehal siya, yeah.
Sa kanyang bayan sa Nueva Ecija. May chance talaga na yung guard tatapatin yung bola. Jervy to Miles. Napunta kay McCoy. Napaganda pa.
Napaganda.
Good to see that.
Good handoff there. Two-man game. And the extra pass. And an accidental pass.
Acop on the move. Aaron to Andre. Andre, atake. Loses the hand. Picked up by Mark Barrera who banks it in.
Mark Barrera. No, si Acop. Nakuha ni Mark Barrera yung loose ball.
Grab Cometa. McCoy wants to attack early. Bigay kay Jervy. Toto. Umuelo. Toto. Scoop layup is good.
Mga players daw ang Basilan na nakasabay pa niyan na maglaro, emphasizing that they are way younger than their opponents and they have to take advantage of that now. Back to you guys.
Mas bata kayo sa mga yan. Kaya nyo yan.
Kaya nyo, oo.
Nakita mo. Narinig ni Andre Acop. 3 seconds lang. Naka-layup na siya. Toto loses the handle. Here comes Bulacan. Andre to Herald, wide open. He gets it to go.
The timer.
Oo.
Top of the court, the basketball ring.
At least medyo may opportunity siya dito with Basilan. Gonzalez. That's a tough angle. Medyo alanganin yung tira na yun, ha? Well, he's got 10 points. Second player, double figures. Wilson, backdoor, yes.
Veteran move by John Wilson.
The handoff to Villarias. Toto will drive. Toto will finish. Owens drives. Ramirez, good look. Can't hit. Rebound, Toto. Villarias for 2. 66, Jem Cruz with time. Yes!